Good afternoon. Video message for Giovanni. Ciao Giovanni. E tuo inglese, excelente. Your English, sir, is excellent. So thank you for buying the beautiful Echo CS-701SVL. Yeah, grazie mille per aver acquistato la motosega. Spetente, mio italiano è pessimo. Mio parole solo piccolo. Mio italiano solo piccolo parole. I only have small words in Italian, but acquistato, grazie mille. Acquistato la motosega. Thank you for buying the saw. I'm sure you're going to love this girl. She is a beautiful running engine. I'll show her running one last time before I box her up. Kill switch, throttle lock. Again, always an amazing running engine. Special, uno special. Very special saw. So grazie mille Giovanni. I hope you love the saw. I'll pack her safely today, get it to the couriers tomorrow. And I hope I can tempt you with another vintage classic soon. Arrivederci. Bye bye.